Greater than aims to train 25,000 dealer workers every year with 22 training facilities pan-India. Partnership between HMIL and ASDC, Automotive Skills Development Council, which helps train around 1,000 students every year, as per GOVT of India's Skill India program. Greater than efforts to enhance the skill sets of dealership personnel to provide exceptional service experience to customers. Hyundai Motor India opened the doors with its 11th Technical Training Academy and Workshop in Lucknow. The new training academy has been set up at BR Hyundai dealership, and will ensure overall technical and soft skill development of technicians and service advisors working at Hyundai's Uttar Pradesh showrooms. It spans across 2,000 square feet with a dedicated classroom, practice area and trainee lounge. Additionally, a state-of-the-art workshop has also been set up at the JSV Hyundai dealer. It has been inaugurated with advanced equipment to provide seamless and superior service to customers. S. Punavanan, VP and National Service Head, Hyundai Motor India, said, "As a responsible and caring brand, Hyundai is committed to provide unmatched customer satisfaction through best service experience to all our valued customers." This has helped Hyundai Motor India to retain JD Power CSI #1 rank for 2 consecutive years, 2017 and 2018, amongst mass-market brands. The auto industry is evolving at a fast pace, and to match the advanced technology, we need to constantly upgrade the skills of our manpower through continuous training modules. Our intent is to provide a superior service experience to our customers and create new benchmarks across the servicing industry.